We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Mabalacat City, Pampanga. This is near the airport and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 120 square meters, floor area of 200 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, balcony, lanai, furnished with 1 carport. Contact us for viewing. So guys, as we can see, the facade of the house is very nice and modern. We have a mixture of stone details and steel. We have this greenery in front, our pedestrian gate, and our 1 vehicle carport right here. And I also like the wood details sa ating gate, no? So let's enter through the pedestrian gate, which is wide. And step up. To my left, we have this greenery, pocket garden natin dito, which gives it a very relaxing feel dito sa house natin. And to my right, we have the 1 vehicle carport, which is tiled, high ceiling, well lighted, and meron tayong water supply dito, and our outlet is right here if you need it for your vacuum and stuff. Then, this walkway, cute din dito, goes around the back of the house. Meron tayong kalachuchi tree dito, and this is the service area. Mamaya, sisilipin natin yan. Okay? Now, let's go inside. So, our front door is made of wood with metal handle. As we enter, we will be greeted by this very nice open layout. Come in. Very nice choice of tiling. Very elegant. Our living area is right here. You have your couches, center table. We have the console right there for your television. And ito makikita nyo to even sa master bedroom. Itong detail natin dito sa wall na parang wood design siya. Curtains are installed. Also, air conditioning is installed. Now, to this side, we have our formal kitchen. We have this countertop right here. Bar stools, meron dyan if you want to use this for your breakfast, di ba? Ako, I like using the center island for work from home. We have storage right here, drawers and shelves. Meron tayo dyan. And also, our very cute kitchen setup. 2-door refrigerator can fit in here. Storage up above. More cupboards right here. We have a range hood and our induction stove that is seamlessly installed dito sa ating neat countertop. Of course, our sink is right there and more storage down below. Now, this area is really, really nice because we have this dining area right here. 6-seater dining table, very nice setup. Glass table right here. We have this Korean leather being used dito. Kaya naman, very easy to maintain. Plus, guys, kita naman natin yung draping natin dyan sa ating curtains. Napakaganda. And this one has a sliding door. If you want to access the outside from this area, pwedeng-pwede yan. Air conditioning installed. Very nice light fixture right there. Now, let's go to the service area. This door, which has a screen, very nice, leads out to the service area. Now, kung mapapansin nyo guys, the very elegant tiling carries over sa outside service area. Kaya elegant din dito. We have this, excuse lang natin yung mga construction material kasi katatapos lang. Fresh na fresh itong property natin na to. We have our sink and of course our countertop right there. Dito is provision for your washer and dryer. Okay? Let's go back in and check the rest of the house. Okay? Now, let's take one more look. Our dining, from that angle, very elegant, di ba? I think this house is really ideal for those having their first house, starting families. Ang cute niya, napakaganda. We have our living area. Pag sinabi kong cute, hindi siya maliit ha. Very ample ang space, but the interior is nicely done. Okay? Now, we go through here. To my right is our powder room slash shower. So you have our sink, our toilet, and our shower area over here. Now, under the stairs, ito pwede pa lang gawing storage, no? So if you want to keep the house clutter-free, pwede pa yan ipa-enclose, and meron tayong room dito that can be used as an office, a bedroom, a guest room, elderly room. Pwede kasi meron siya malapit na bathroom. Okay? Very nice. May window tayo dito. May abang na rin for our aircon. Napaganda rin ng ating light fixture dyan. Now, let's go to the second floor. So, wooden steps sa ating stairs. Meron tayo ditong tempered glass handle. Yung other side is i-install pa lang. So, magkakaroon din tayo ng tempered glass dito going up. Now, upon mid-landing, ang ganda because meron tayo ditong large window that lets in so much natural light. Today is rather rainy, pero maliwanag pa rin. Meron tayong interesting light fixture dyan. Wood and marble details sa ating wall. Then upon landing, we have a hallway leading to the rooms. But before that, sobrang thoughtful because they placed this full body mirror para bago ka aalis. Diba? You can check yourself out. And it also makes the area a lot wider. Now, first bedroom on the second floor. We have an ample space right here. Air conditioning is installed. We have a window. Bed will go right here. May mga outlets din tayo for your needs. Then, this middle door is the shared bathroom that will be shared by the two rooms sa side niya. Very nice size. We have our sink, our toilet, and our partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and, of course, window for natural light and ventilation. And also, check yung tiling, napaka-elegant. Okay? Now, the next room, this one is similar to the first one, but this has this very nice light fixture. Meron din tayong mga accent lights dito. Window right here, air conditioning is installed. Then, ample amount of space that we have right here. The last door, of course, is the master. So once we enter, guys, we have this space right here if you want to have seating area, but the bed will be placed right here. So para siyang secluded from the rest of the room. Napakaganda. We have our king-size bed frame right here. Outlets on the sides. Ito yung sinasabi kong detail ulit na nakita natin sa living area. We have this wood detail na PVC sa ating bedroom. Curtains are beautiful. Own balcony. We have right here that overlooks the front of the house. Really nice. Also, when you come here, we have this space. If you want to have a tambay area, sitting area, diba, right here, muni-muni on this area, napakaganda. Okay? Tas fronting the greenery ng village natin. Okay? So, let's go back in. Okay, since this is the master, meron siyang sariling bathroom. So, this side is our bathroom. Generous amount of space. We have our sink right here. Countertop, very neat. Our toilet and our partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Plus, ang ganda rin ng detail because wood design naman ang meron dito. Plus, itong parang marble tiling sa gilid natin. Tapos yung magandang ceiling treatment sa other room na carry over dito. So, mixture of the yellow and the white light. Very relaxing. So now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 120 square meters, floor area of 200 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, service kitchen, balcony, lanai, furnished with one carport. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.